bones of some prehistoric monster. Empty hallways still echo the nighttime muttering of passing ghosts. Megaliths of steel and concrete rise into the blue heavens, cast under the sun like the runic symbols of some bygone age, to stand like sentinels against the bulwark of voracious time. Step lightly through the empty streets. Step lightly through the empty streets. Make little noise as echoes rebound with haunting integrity. Can you hear the whispers of yesterday circle your ears as you contemplate the painted stripes on a bed of asphalt? This is the final monument to our grandeur. This is our pagan folly. This is the dinosaur of our endeavors. Empty void alleyways that crisscross like psychic vortexes. Empty void alleyways that crisscross like psychic vortices to the center of an abandoned shopping mall in Des Moines. Across the campus, a building with broken windows leers like rusted teeth through the smiles of jagged glass. A marble fountain belches up a statue of a little angel who will never again spray moisture across the mossy stones of so many pitched coins. This may be the final citizen, frozen forever in a moment of blissful realization. That the world is alone. Signs betray restaurants and ice cream parlors, book stalls and clothing stores. But the customers have faded into the dying reverberations of yesteryear, and the good times no longer hold. Will an alien race find this in 1,000 years, like some archaeologist discovering the ruins of Troy, and wonder, why is it these people drove red cars? Ate iced cream and lived for a single absurd moment in the sunshine prism of a yesterday that never was, but concrete grooves and lonely walls are wailing in the distance as buildings slumber under the animal grip of night. Where is everybody?